is up, y'all? Jeremiah Molina here, your friendly neighborhood Disney freak, and today we are going on a preview of Tiana's Bayou adventure. But I'm gonna be real, I'm still gonna keep calling it Splash, I think. Now obviously Splash Mountain was a very much beloved ride, but this is getting a much needed overhaul, and the fact that it's Princess and the Frog theme is actually pretty cool as well. You could hear it in the ambiance and the music in the background. They're playing some Princess and the Frog music from the soundtrack. Ooh, the vibes are right, people.
There, Tiana, and you can be a part of it. Help my fine musicians for our big party tonight, and you can make another.
I'm ready. You're ready now.
Look at all these beautiful faces. Let's join Louis up ahead and find some musicians for our party. We're going to the Bayou.
And it bands down here. Come out, wherever you are. I'm still not seeing any musicians.
No sweat, Louis. We're just getting started.
You're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go. Tell the people Mama told you so.
Tiana wasn't kidding, y'all. This band she found can play. Hallelujah.
They can play, no doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Oh my, this rah-rah band can jam.
I'm asking all of them to play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Time to make big. Time to get tiny, tiny, tiny.
Well, let us bring the heat.
Get you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the splash you'll make at the party. Let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed. Hang on, y'all. Ooh, this gonna be good. You.
How wet did you get? Hey. Dude, my jeans were light before I came into this ride.
The only dry spot on me. Oh my god.
It's definitely splashier. It's definitely splashier than Splash Mountain. Hey, there we are.
Dude, you are. You're clutching on me for dear life. I'm just chilling. That's great.
I see you, you. Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you. Bye.